What's the meaning of contract? Contract. Contract.
Contract. Contract. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties that outlines their obligations and responsibilities towards one another. A contract can be written or verbal and can cover a range of transactions, such as buying or selling goods, providing services, or establishing partnerships. When a contract is formed, all parties involved are bound by its terms and conditions, and failure to comply can result in legal action being taken. Ultimately, a contract is designed to protect the interests and rights of all parties and ensure that agreements are upheld.